Hello friends, hope you are doing good. In this video, we will see how to make a pattern manipulation with the dart. We have a block. I want to manipulate the dart with the princess scene. So dart manipulation is very important because it makes a very good drape and fitting. So let's start. When we are manipulating any dart, we have to understand which dart manipulate first. Then second, if there is multiple dart, whether you have only one dart, you can do like from shoulder or base to both of that. But now it has a two dart, so I'm starting from the base dart. First, I will close the base dart, then I will close the burst dart. So this is the burst dart. This will also close at the shoulder point. And while closing, we have to understand where is the burst point. Before burst point, almost 2 inches above, we have to close the dart. Yeah, I have added the internal line to cut the princess seam. Now we have to just finish like give the some curve tool and will increase the projection, burst projection. We will add the burst projection so it will give the good drape. After after reshaping the pattern, you can see this will look as we can see the princess seam panel, side panel. We need to always use most of the tool. So the box tool, we have to check the pattern if there is any length discrepancy. We have to adjust accordingly. We doesn't need to adjust on the shoulder. We have to adjust at the base only. This is a grain tool which I have done. Like princess seam pattern manipulation is ready. Now uh we should drape and how it looks on the body. Let's see. So I'm taking out that. And one more thing, when we are draping any garment and there is a few parts, not too much part, so we have to always use the auto swing. That is very fast. As I said, we should use most of the tool like which CLO have provided. Look, I just use automated tools, auto stitching tool, and it is staged quickly. So we have to place it only and use the automatic. I'm hiding all these things because it will look clean and look body or pattern fit very well because we have done the manipulation nicely. And let's make a skirt. Circle skirt. We- I will make this one as a circle skirt. This is a fullness tool. Use a fullness tool and add the circle. I don't want to add the gather at the best, just adding the bottom area. Sweep. Front skirt panel is ready. So just we need to copy and paste. Arrangement point. We have to use the arrangement point, but do not use the curve. It should be flat, so this will sit properly. It has to drape the nicely. So now we are adding the side seam. If you will add before the draping, this would be not fall properly. It will stick and go up and down. So first drape, then you can add the stitch. It will make it easy little bit. And I'm shaping here, so this will look uh, this will look nicely floor to the bottom. Currently, it is uneven at the bottom area. That's why I'm using this tool for shaping. Look, this is now all the sweep is even all now. So guys, this was the dart manipulation. I hope you enjoyed it, and if there is anything do you want to ask, let me know. Thank you.